Salt. Let me tell you something about salt and what Matthew 5:13 says.
Ye are the salt of the earth. But if the salt loses its taste, how shall its saltiness be restored?
It is no longer good for anything
except to be thrown out and trampled under people's feet.
Mark 9:50. Salt is good,
But if the salt lost its saltiness,
How will you make it salty again?
Have salt in yourselves and be at peace with one another.
Colossians 4:6.
Let your speech always be gracious, seasoned with salt,
so that you may know how to answer each person. Stay salty. Stay salty.
stay salty. Stay salty.
Stay salty.
Stay salty.
stay salty.
Stay salty.
Stay salty.
Stay salty. Stay salty. Stay salty. Stay humble.
Stay salty, stay honest.
Stay salty, stay kind.
Stay salty. Stay in the Word.
Will you be good for nothing, or will you be salt?